How to get an OpenAI ChatGPT API key. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Chrome and search platform ChatGPT API. Click on the first link that pops up, which is OpenAI API Overview. Then, at the left side, you will find Overview. Click on Overview and then click on API Preferences at the top. After you click on API Reference, in here scroll down and you will find API keys. Authorization, as you can see, server, and you'll find your key. Or you can also click on HTTP and you will find your API key. This is how to get an OpenAI ChatGPT API key. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.